Hey guys, this is Carlise, and today I'm going to come with you with a really quick, simple recipe of corn salsa, okay? So I'm in a feeling of Mexican and I'm about to make me some tacos, so this is going to be the perfect side to actually go with it, okay? So let's get started. I did most of my prep. So we're going to go in our bowl. First, I got me a big clear bowl. We're going to go first in our bowl with some chopped tomatoes. And I got some chopped onions. Okay. Now here, I have about 2 cloves of garlic chopped up. I have some green onions. I have some fresh parsley. I have cilantro. And I have a jalapeno pepper just to kick it up a notch, give it a little kick. So we're putting all of this right here into the bowl. It's a really simple recipe, guys. It's literally everything just gets dropped in, mixed up, called a day. Then I have about 4 ears of corn here. This is fresh corn. I'm not going to measure it and say cups or whatever. I use 4 ears of corn. We do not use frozen corn. If you use frozen or canned corn, it is not going to come out right. Okay? This is a disclaimer, guys. Please, 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 if you do anything with this recipe, use fresh corn. Okay? So I have all of that in a bowl. I'm just going to give it a nice quick toss up. Okay? And now we're going to go in with some simple liquids. And it only takes 2 liquids to get this thing tasting right. Okay? I have some limes. So I'm just going to roll them out on the counter. Get them juices evenly flowing. Get it moving around. Ooh, my knife is a little dull, y'all. Time to get a new one. Cut my lime open. I got 2. So I'm going to do the same thing with this one. Okay. Now, I don't have one of those lemon and lime juicers. I do it with my hand and a fork. So, I just get all that juice all up in there. That's half. Get some more. There you go. It smells great. It smells really good, y'all. Y'all don't even understand. Okay, and my other half. That's my dog if you didn't hear him in the background. Okay. Got that moving around. I'm a messy cook. I keep telling y'all I'm a little bit messy. I don't know if y'all be believing me, because, well, y'all should. Every time you see me, I'm dropping something out of the bowl or out of the pot. And let me tell you what I forgot. Give me 1 second. Guys, olive oil. I'm going to eye it, but it's about 1 tablespoon of olive oil that goes in there. Okay. Just 1 tablespoon. Yes, guys, I miss it. So, this is what my corn salsa looks like. Okay, now that I have everything in the bowl, everything's mixed up. Now, like I said, I wouldn't recommend eating it right away or serving it right away. I would make this about 15 or 20 minutes before you're going to use it, just because you want all the flavors and all the juices and all the seasonings, and you want it, pretty much you want everything to marinate. Okay, you want it all to marinate, you want it to combine, you want the flavors to start working with each other. Okay, so like I said, make it like 15-20 minutes in advance and you will be perfect. But this is pretty much my salsa, my corn salsa recipe, and I thank you for cooking with me today, guys. I'll see you next time.